What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go over a quick overview of these Gladiator cabinets that I picked up over the last year or so. I gave it a lot of thought. I wanted to, see how I wanted to set up my garage in my new house. I moved here over a year ago. It took me a long time to kind of decide. I was thinking about Gladiator, I was thinking about Husky, and I was thinking about Newage, thinking about Craftsman. I eventually decided to just go with Gladiator cabinets, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. So first, once again, I appreciate you watching. If you like the content that I'm putting up, would love to hear from you in the comment section down below. Give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. You can keep up to date with what I'm putting up. So, and I'll keep bringing these, tool videos and gear videos, as much as I possibly can. So, on to the review or the overview. I have two Gladiator cabinets. One is the 36-inch cabinet, large cabinet, and one is the 28-inch smaller cabinet, upper cabinet there. I got this one first over a year ago. I got it on sale for about $200 at Home Depot. The sticker price is $350. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for it to go on sale for me to get another one for the other side. Black Friday came and went and there was no sale. So I would not pay $350 for this. I don't think it's worth it, but like something like $200 or $250 for sure. I got this one more recently. I think it was like, I used a coupon, like a 10% coupon or something, but I think the normal price is like $175. So maybe it went down to like $150 or whatever. We'll start off with the bigger tall cabinet here. This is not the normal finish of a Gladiator cabinet. Usually you see them with the silver tread in the middle. I do not like diamond plate finishes. They just are a little tacky to me. So I like the full kind of crinkle finish. I think they call it hammered granite finish, I believe. A lot harder to find. Can't really get them in stock, but you can order them on Home Depot or Lowe's or something similar. The 36-inch does come with a key. The 28-inch does not. Okay, so we'll open up the door here. And there's a lot of storage. Each shelf is rated for 45 pounds. Frankly, that sounds light to me. I would figure that you could put more on these shelves, but that's what it's rated at. You do have this magnetic strip to hold the door closed. There's only one though, so nothing's holding this closed, which is fairly annoying. I wish that there was one on that side. I'm sure obviously you could just add a magnetic strip if you'd like, not a big deal, but it'd be nice if it came like that. But that's what holds the door, the outer door, the door with the lock on it. The dimensions of this are 36 inches wide by 72 inches tall, and it's 18 inches deep. The shelves, you have 3 shelves, and they are held with bolts from the outside. These are obviously, as you can see, the ready to assemble cabinets. They're not the welded ones. Those are harder to find and more expensive. And I don't know, I've heard that they're much better, but at the same time, if I'm gonna be spending any more, I think I'd rather go with a Newage cabinet. Now onto the 28-inch upper cabinet. There's no key on this one. Same finish. It comes with 2 shelves, and you can adjust them, but they are not bolted through. They have like these tabs that they just kind of sit on. And this one, you actually do have 2 magnets, so that holds together. I don't know why they didn't do that on this one as well, but that is on the smaller one. And to bolt these to the wall, I did use a gear track on the top, but instead of using another gear track on the bottom, I just used a spare, I think it's 3/4 inch, I believe, piece of plywood to hold out that bottom edge. So overall, I'm pretty happy with these cabinets. I'm waiting for the bigger one to go on sale again. I'll pick up another for the other side. I like the finish as well when I was comparing it to like the Husky cabinets, because the Husky, it's like a glossy finish. It's gonna get dirty and show fingerprints. So very happy with the finish, very happy with the quality for the price. Or if you have these cabinets, or if you're thinking about getting them, if you have any questions, give me a comment down below. I'll help in any way that I can. If you have them already, let me know what you think. Until next time, guys, till next video, have a great holiday season and a Merry Christmas. Take care.